Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with Hollow Ridge Homestead. So today we're working on a horsefly trap. We have issues this time of year for about a month or so with horseflies just attacking the horses, always up here on the porch trying to get in the house and stuff. But it's really a nuisance for the horses. Now, I've tried different things in the past, but this here is a horsefly trap that a guy up in Minnesota developed, and it was one of those internet claims. So I had my wife, I showed her the plans, said, hey, can you get this built as soon as possible? Within a day she had it built. The only thing, this is all out of scrap wood. We have a door hinge that we had just in the shop. The only thing I had to buy was some plexiglass that go in here, and once I get it all done and together, I'll show you what it looks like, and you'll see a little bit more the function of it. You lay a plastic trash bag in here, put water in it and soap. The plexiglass is at a 45-degree angle, and what happens is they come in and they hit, fall in, and they can't swim out. But anyways, and then the other thing I wanted to try was this STP oil treatment. The other thing I want to try is this STP oil treatment. You are supposed to take this and put it on like a flower pot and hang it out close to the animals. It's real sticky. I haven't seen any good results with this, but I wanted to try it just to see. You just never know if it will catch, if it catches 10, that's better than nothing. So the only things I had to purchase was this, which is about I think $4. The plexiglass was about $8 each sheet. You only need 2 sheets, 12 by 36. So anyways, I'm gonna get this painted. I want to paint it black to absorb the heat, which attracts the horseflies. And then I'll assemble all this, and we're gonna set it up right. You can see where the horses are. They spend a lot of time right there, so I'm gonna set it right here on the outside of the pasture in the sun, and see if that helps. Anyways, let me get this going, and I will show you what it looks like in the end. Alright guys, so I've got it painted. I've got the hinge. It's just a door hinge screwed on here. Plexiglass will go in here, and I'll show you in a minute. This is just a contractor's bag, like a 55-gallon bag, and I bought some clamps a while back, and just using that to hold it down. I'm probably gonna have to put some staples or something right here to hold this down. But so now I need to put some water in it with a soap dish, and like I said, maybe staple this down. But so I just broke my camera. I'm hoping all this is coming through everything right, no smudges. Anyways, the wind from this Cristobal, I believe how you say that hurricane that came through, we're in northwest Louisiana. So we're just getting a lot of wind right now, so I'm kind of scared that the plexiglass is going to catch that wind and fall over and break. But I'm hoping with the water in there will hold it in place. I may tie it back here on the back against this pole for now, but I really need it to be in the pasture closer to the horses. But anyways, so I'm going to do that real quick, and then finish up putting it together, and I'll show you what the end product looks like. I just made a mess of myself. Alright, I made a mess on myself, obviously. Got most of the water in here. The water's kind of leaning forward because it's not level, so I'm going to put something underneath here to level it up. And I don't know, that's probably about 1.5 inches of water, 2 inches. And so what we'll do is I'll go get some soap dish, put it in here, put the plexiglass in. I think that's going to hold up. Depends on if we get any more big gusts of winds. And the reason why I decided to put it up here, we have a lot more horseflies that fly up here. And in the afternoons it gets really crazy up here. We've killed, oh heck, 50 to 100. We've got fly swatters, and we'll just come out here and do a little challenge of who can kill the most. So anyways, I want to see if this will work. Let me get the soap dish, put plexiglass in, and that'll be it. Steady. I heard one.
Yeah, no, it's gonna come bite me in a minute. I'll go flop around. Yeah, it's on me. Okay, stop moving.
Oh man, this is glass. Dadgummit. I grabbed the wrong one. This is actual glass. This is not what I was wanting to do.
It should work though, right?
Well, it's glass.
Yeah, so.
Glass. Alright, well, they're $8. I'm not going to put the other one in. Alright, so I made a big mistake. I actually ended up getting glass. This is supposed to have been plexiglass. They were side by side, and my fault. I just didn't read it. But here, at least show you what the idea of it is. So you see it, the glass is at a 45-degree angle. The horseflies are supposed to fly in and hit the water as they're flying by and stuff of that nature. But man, I'm a little disappointed. That's $8 each sheet. I didn't open the other one because I'm gonna take it back. But overall, this was a quick build. I just hope it works. It's not gonna kill. It's not gonna get the little bitty flies that are still biting. And it's not like the black flies that I've been catching in the fly trap. So this is about 2 of the 7 type of flies that are bothering the horses. So I'm gonna go with this for now. This is glass. It's gonna break, and I'm scared someone's gonna get hurt and cut on it. So I'm gonna replace it. But anyways, hopefully I can go tomorrow and get that. My wife's got to work tonight, so maybe I can have her go by and pick it up. Alright guys, so I got the plexiglass put in there. I took the glass sheets back this morning, and picked up some plexiglass. And so this is what it's supposed to look like. These are at 45-degree angles. Trash bag, half full of water, and some Dawn. Now the Dawn is like a surfactant type, just helps them stay in there and everything. So there's some Dawn. We keep this around for when I end up having to use OC, or I got sprayed with OC. But anyways, it's about the only reason why we use Dawn. So anyways, now the test is just to see if it actually works. And we won't know till this afternoon. So if you notice, we got 3 horses out here now. They're all mares. This one here my wife's walking is a horse that we're trying out to see if we want to buy it for Hannah. She needs a horse a little faster. Hannah's been getting really good at running her barrels on this other horse that she's normally running. It's just not fast enough horse, and we need a bigger horse, a more powerful horse. So a lady that used to barrel race is not riding anymore because she's pregnant, and this horse has just been in the pasture for 6 months. So anyways, she's working this horse. She's having to work 2 horses now, keep that one in shape and then get this one in shape. We're going to run her Friday night and see how she turns out. But anyways, back to this. I'm thinking this is going to work. I haven't seen any videos actually proving it working. We've tried other things. We've built many different types of horsefly traps. So far, the only thing that's working is the actual biting fly traps. And this is for horseflies. The horseflies that you know, about 1.5 inches long. So we'll see if it works. So guys, I wanted to show y'all how well these are like fly traps. If you've got flies around your house, this is working. If you hadn't seen my video on these fly traps, you need to go back and look and see how I went through different baits to try, and now I'm just using one bait that we don't have to buy. It's just something we actually have here readily available. But these fly traps are working. So I mean, I don't know how many I have in there, but we've got 3 of these set out on the outside of the pasture, just along the edge. There's obviously many kind of flies that bother these horses and animals, but that's one of them, and we're doing a really good job of catching them. And I've got 2 more of these traps, so I wanted to show y'all real quick how well they're actually working. And I know this video is about the horsefly trap, but I'm telling you, these traps are working. Now we leave that one with the chicken coop, and it just goes along with a chicken tractor. And then we have these 2 stationary, the one that you just seen, that one on the chicken tractor, and I have one more down here. Hadn't checked on it, so I figured I'd check it real quick and show you guys. Right, so you can see that there's about 1 inch of flies in there. This one doesn't have as many in there right now. I probably need to, I don't have as many flies in there right now. I probably need to freshen up the bait. And anyways guys, if y'all have fly issues, buy some of these. They're like 3 packs off of Amazon. I think we bought them for about $14. Y'all keep posted. We'll see how this one turns out, and I'll show you the results of it, whether it works or not. And I hope so, because in the afternoons this thing is just tons of horseflies eating us up. And of course the poor horses, they're fighting them too. Well, that's all I have for y'all. If y'all like this video, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. We'll see you on the next video.